I work out because I really, really like wine. Sore today, strong tomorrow. I don't sweat, I sparkle. I don't work out to be healthy, I work out to look hot as hell naked. I'm not telling you it's going to be easy, I'm telling you it's going to be worth it. I may not be there yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday. I have a love-hate relationship with my gym. We love to hate each other. I have a lifetime warranty on my body, but I still treat it like a rental. If you don't run, you might miss the ice cream truck. I don't always work out, but when I do, I prefer to complain about it.